10 most powerful snakes in the world. Here's a pretty grim question for you. What do you think is the pressure needed to crush the human skull? Well, the answer to that question is exhibited by each of these slithery snakes in today's video about the 10 most powerful snakes in the world. We'll be taking a closer look at these species in no particular order, where they're found, and what makes them so powerful. Number 10. Eastern indigo snake. The eastern indigo snake is a non-venomous snake species native to the southeastern United States. This snake is no joke, with its almost blackish color and menacing size. It is known for its muscular body and impressive size, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 10 feet, 2.4 meters or more. The eastern indigo snake's large size and powerful muscles allow it to constrict and overpower its prey efficiently. It coils around the captured animal and applies pressure to restrict its breathing, leading to asphyxiation and eventual death. What's special about this snake is that it plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by controlling populations of small mammals and other prey species, helping to maintain a balanced ecological balance. Number 9. Indian rock python. Next up on the list is the Indian rock python, which is a large snake species found in the Indian subcontinent. In these ranges, it inhabits a diverse array of habitats, such as grasslands, swamps, forests, and even urban areas. What makes the Indian rock python powerful is its impressive size, strength, and constriction abilities. It is one of the largest snake species in the world and can reach lengths of up to 20 feet, 6 meters, or even more in some cases. The snake's muscular body allows it to constrict its prey effectively. To be more specific, Indian rock pythons are capable of overpowering and constricting prey that may weigh several times their own body weight. They can subdue animals like deer, wild pigs, and large birds. And in terms of raw strength, the constriction force of an Indian rock python can be compared to a group of strong humans working together to restrain or control a large and struggling animal. Number 8. Boa constrictor. The boa constrictor is a large snake species found in a wide range of habitats throughout the Americas. Its natural distribution includes parts of North, Central, and South America. Boa constrictors are ambush predators, meaning they lie in wait for their prey to come close. They use their excellent camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to unsuspecting animals. When a suitable prey item comes within range, the boa constrictor strikes quickly and seizes its prey with its sharp teeth. It then wraps its muscular body around the prey and constricts, tightening its coils with each breath the prey takes. Number 7. Black-headed python. The black-headed python is a snake species found in parts of northern and western Australia. On average, adult black-headed pythons typically reach lengths between 4 to 6 feet, 1.2 to 1.8 meters. However, some individuals can grow even longer, occasionally reaching lengths of up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters or more. When a suitable prey animal comes within striking distance, the python strikes quickly and seizes the prey with its sharp teeth. It uses its body to wrap around the captured animal. After seizing its prey, the black-headed python immediately starts coiling its body around the prey, applying pressure to restrict its movement and breathing. With each breath the prey takes, the snake tightens its coils, preventing the prey from inhaling properly. The constriction cuts off the prey's blood flow and oxygen supply, leading to rapid asphyxiation. This effectively subdues the prey, rendering it helpless. Number 6. Central American boa. The Central American boa is a subspecies of the common boa constrictor found in various countries across Central America. The Central American boa is a medium to large-size snake with a stout and muscular body. Its coloration and pattern can vary significantly among individuals, but they generally have a base color of brown or tan, with dark markings in the form of saddles or blotches. When a suitable prey item, such as a small mammal, bird, or reptile, comes within striking distance, the boa strikes quickly and seizes the prey with its sharp teeth. It then wraps its muscular body around the prey to constrict and immobilize it. The Central American boa tightens its coils around the captured prey, applying pressure that restricts the prey's movement and breathing. The constriction cuts off blood flow and oxygen supply to the prey, leading to asphyxiation and eventual death. Number 5. Yellow anaconda. The yellow anaconda is a species of non-venomous snake found primarily in South America. Its natural range includes parts of Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. The yellow anaconda is a large and robust snake. Adult yellow anacondas typically range in length from 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3 meters, with females generally being larger than males. However, some individuals may grow even longer. As the name suggests, the yellow anaconda's coloration ranges from pale yellow to olive green or brown, with darker blotches along the back and sides. Its belly is lighter in color, often yellowish or cream-colored. The yellow anaconda is not only a constrictor snake, but also one of the most powerful constrictors in the world. When a suitable prey item, such as a mammal or bird, comes within striking distance, the anaconda strikes quickly and seizes the prey with its sharp teeth. Number 4. Burmese python. The Burmese python is a large non-venomous snake native to Southeast Asia. Its natural range includes countries such as Myanmar, formerly Burma, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and parts of China. Burmese pythons are actually amongst the largest snake species in the world. Adult individuals can reach lengths of up to 18 to 23 feet, 5.5 to 7 meters or more. They have a robust and muscular body with a distinctive pattern of dark brown or black blotches along a light tan, yellow, or brown background color. Given their excellent camouflage, Burmese pythons are obviously ambush hunters. They remain motionless, concealed, and patient, waiting for small to medium-sized mammals, birds, and other prey to come within striking distance. When a suitable prey item approaches, the python strikes quickly and accurately, seizing the prey with its sharp teeth. Its muscular body and jaws allow it to maintain a secure grip on the captured animal. Number 3. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is one of the largest snakes in the world and is found throughout Southeast Asia. This python is easily recognized by its distinctive pattern of bold, diamond-shaped markings that run the length of its body. The coloration can vary, but it typically consists of a combination of brown, yellow, and black. These snakes are highly variable in size, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 20 feet, 6 meters, or even more, although most are around 10 to 20 feet long. They are opportunistic predators and will eat a wide range of animals, including mammals, birds, and occasionally reptiles. The python's hunting strategy involves ambushing its prey and striking quickly to seize it. There have been documented cases of reticulated pythons taking on large prey items such as pigs, deer, and even humans. Number 2. Eastern kingsnake. The eastern kingsnake is a constrictor that has a wide distribution across the eastern United States, ranging from southern New England south to Florida and west to parts of Texas and Nebraska. Eastern kingsnakes are known for their beautiful coloration and pattern. They have a glossy black body with white or cream-colored bands that run across their back and sides. The pattern of these bands can be quite variable, sometimes forming a chain-like pattern or blotches. Kingsnakes are constrictors like the reticulated python, but they are much smaller in size. Their diet primarily consists of other snakes, including venomous species like copperheads and rattlesnakes, which gives them their name kingsnake, as they are considered the king of snakes due to their ability to eat other serpents. They are also known to consume lizards, rodents, and bird eggs. Eastern kingsnakes are opportunistic hunters, and they use their keen sense of smell and heat-sensing pits to detect prey. Number 1. Green anaconda. Let's finally talk about the green anaconda, one of the strongest and most well-known snakes in the world. The green anaconda is native to the tropical regions of South America. It is found in various countries, including Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and parts of northern Paraguay and northern Argentina. The green anaconda is the heaviest and one of the longest snake species in the world. Females are generally larger than males and can reach lengths of up to 20 feet, 6 meters or more, with reports of some individuals exceeding 25 feet, 7.6 meters. They have a massive muscular body and a relatively short, rounded head. As semi-aquatic snakes, green anacondas are powerful swimmers and well adapted to life in the water. They are primarily ambush predators, lying in wait near the water's edge for suitable prey to approach. Their diet includes a variety of aquatic and terrestrial animals, such as fish, birds, turtles, capybara, the world's largest rodent, and even caimans. When hunting, they use a combination of stealth and strength to overpower their prey. And that's our list. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And of course, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this.